Why do most Etsy shops fail? Have you ever wondered why so many businesses fail, including Etsy print-on-demand shops? Starting a business is an exciting endeavor, driven by the desire to make money. However, the notion that it's an effortless path to financial success is a misleading one. In fact, if something appears too good to be true, it usually is. You should never look for the easy way to make money. Instead, you should look for the way to be most successful. Welcome to Paxton's Millionaire Mindset. Today, let's delve into the reasons behind the failure of pod stores on Etsy and explore the mindset required to succeed in this venture.
The first cause of failure lies in the pursuit of instant gratification in sales. Many shop owners fall into the trap of continuously checking their listings, expecting immediate results. It's important to understand that Etsy boasts over 4 million sellers and 80 million buyers. Building organic growth takes time. Realistically, it can take anywhere from 1 to 2 months to secure your first sale without resorting to advertising. Running ads may lead to a sale within 1 to 2 weeks, but I wouldn't recommend it when starting out. This can put you in a financial hole to start. Without knowing how the business works, and spending money on advertising would not be a smart way to start. This leads us to the second reason for failure. Fear of failure is the second hurdle that pod shop owners must overcome. LeBron James once said, "Don't be afraid of failure. This is the way to succeed." Those who have achieved success on Etsy with their pod businesses have encountered numerous failures along the way. This industry is all about trial and error, and it's crucial not to shy away from trying new things and experimenting. Your first several designs will be bad and will draw little to no interest. You must not get discouraged and just keep learning from each design and trying new things. Looking back at my first designs, they were terrible and literally got 0 views. It didn't stop me, it just made me want to be better. The key is to keep creating and testing new designs until you discover what resonates and becomes a bestseller in your niche. Lastly, insufficient listings contribute to failure in Etsy pod ventures. Merely putting up 10 to 12 listings and expecting the money to flow in is a misconception. Consider this: with 4 million sellers, successful shops typically have between 2,000 and 4,000 listings at a minimum. Multiply that by 4 million, and you have billions upon billions of listings on the platform. To reach your target audience within your niche, you must start with a minimum of 100 listings to gain the necessary exposure. Keep designing and expanding your collection to increase your chances of success. Did you believe this journey would be easy? From the outset, I warned you that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The truth is, building a business requires hard work. However, it is entirely possible to achieve a 6 to 8 figure income, though it won't happen overnight. Remember, succeeding on Etsy is a marathon, not a sprint. I will always provide upfront insight, avoiding the false promises of an easy road to success. Many people deceive aspiring entrepreneurs by painting an overly rosy picture. Trust me when I say that owning a business is anything but easy. However, the rewards and financial freedom make the effort worthwhile. I hope you found this information valuable. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful content. Leave a comment below once you've subscribed, and I'll do my best to respond to as many of you as I can. Enjoy your entrepreneurial journey, and let's pave the way to financial freedom together.